Concession Nation is excited to work with well-established franchises as well as those who are just starting out.
This video will feature several food trucks and trailers built over the years which have benefited franchises and its franchisees.
Watch our video.
We are twisted with joy to continue to build food trucks and trailers for one of the world's most favorite pretzels.
Charlie's Subs, already famous at the mall, even has a trolley trailer that is spectacular.
Peter Pan is still growing strong with their mobile presence and have counted on Concession Nation to wrap up trailer after trailer.
We are leaping with sweetness with trailers and food trucks for Sweet Frog.
We were extremely excited when HMS Host reached out to us to build an extraordinary smokes poutineery food truck without the engine or a roof that would be stationed permanently within the Pearson Airport located in Toronto, Canada.
Arriba Puerto Rico, acá Express growing strong, con más de 10 trailers en la isla desde el 2015. ¿Qué me dicen de eso, mi gente?
Bianca, can you guess what other franchises we have built for? Watch this.
To our YouTube channel, like our Facebook,
Check out
check out our website.
Really?